Smoothies are the easiest way to jam-pack nutrients into your diet. And I'm not talking about a diet. So let's start off with a few things I got going on in my smoothie. I personally like almond milk or coconut milk. Sometimes we even make our own. Coconut milk and almond milk are both super easy to make on your own. So pay attention to carrageenan if you're using non-dairy milk. That's something that you want to avoid. And a lot of companies are actually going away from that at the moment. This is our TrueForm plant-based vanilla protein. This has 25 grams of protein, 0 grams of sugar, and it has a jam-packed full of nutrients. We have sprouted ingredients, we have fermented ingredients. This can actually help improve digestion instead of causing constipation like many protein supplements have. Just a couple other random things. I have dulse here. This was actually hand-picked from family members in New Brunswick, which is super cool. And then we also have, well, here's my blended smoothie. I got blueberries in here, tons of antioxidants. I have kale for our greens. This was made with almond milk, I think. And that's it. So to help energize your body, to get the easiest way to get the most nutrients in your body is through smoothies. So add a smoothie at least once a day.